How's it going, guys? Julian Bradley here from Jazz Tutorial Studios. I hope you're doing well, and I just wanted to make a quick video to explain why I haven't been making videos for the last few weeks and why I won't be making videos for at least the next month. And the reason is that I just became a father for the second time, and I've had a second girl, so I now have two girls, and I just really wanted to take the time off to really spend time with them and to really enjoy this moment. So that's the only reason I haven't been posting videos. Now in the meantime, if you want to keep your finger on the pulse with everything I'm working on, you can join my Jazz Tutorial email newsletter. There's over 47,000 people subscribed. It's a weekly jazz piano email tip, and some of my best content is actually in this email newsletter. So I'll put the sign up link below this video. Now the one thing I have been working on during this time is the musical ear. I've just been finishing off some additional videos which I've been adding to the course, and the musical ear is open for enrollment now. So if you do want to get some training from me, there's a complete 30 video course. It's not just a course in ear training, it's a course in harmony as well, and enrollment is currently open. So I'll put a second link below this video which will take you to a complete video which I just shot where I go into the complete backstory of the musical ear. So that's the only reason I haven't been posting YouTube videos. I'm just enjoying this time with my family, but as soon as that's over, I'll be right back to the studio filming some new epic jazz piano tutorials for you. So with that said, thanks for watching, thanks for your patience, and I'll see you soon.